Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of hotel style set dosa with aloo sagu or aloo masala, which is the side dish for set dosa. These set dosas will be very tasty, very spongy, and it can be easily made at home. And aloo sagu, which is the side dish for this, it will taste very good with set dosa. Now let us start cooking.
Ingredients required for making the batter: 2 cups raw rice, regular dosa rice, 2 tablespoon chana dal, 2 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon tur dal, sabudana or sogo seeds 2 tablespoon, poha or flattened rice 2 tablespoon, fenugreek 1 teaspoon. Put all these items into a bowl, add sufficient water and soak for 4 to 5 hours. This is soaked well now. We'll put this in the mixer grinder and make fine paste. Now this is done. It should be smooth like this. Now we'll transfer this to another vessel. Allow this batter to ferment for 8 hours or overnight. Now the batter is fermented well. Now to the batter, we'll be adding 2 tablespoon rava, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix everything well. Now add salt as per taste. Allow the batter to rest for half an hour. Then the batter will be ready to use. Batter should be of this consistency. It should be thick, don't make it very thin. Add 1 pinch cooking soda to the batter. Mix it well. Now the batter is ready. Ingredients required for making aloo sagu: chopped onions 1, chopped tomato 1, salt as per taste, boiled potatoes, coriander leaves, chana dal 1 teaspoon, urad dal 1 teaspoon, green chilies, curry leaves, mustard seeds, oil, besan 1 teaspoon and turmeric. Now we'll make aloo sagu. Heat the kadai. Put oil. Put mustard seeds. Once it splutters, put chana dal and urad dal. Fry this till it becomes golden brown in color. Now put onions. Green chilies and curry leaves. Fry this well. Now the onions are done. Put tomatoes now. Fry this also. Now put salt as per taste. Put turmeric. Mix it well. Add boiled potatoes. Mix it well. Add 1 cup water now. Bring this to boil now. Put little water to basin and then add this to this mixture. Mix everything well. Put coriander leaves now. Mix it well. Now aloo sagu is ready. You can turn off the flame. Now we'll make dosas. First put the tawa on a high flame. Once the tawa is hot, put little water. Now put dosa batter. There's no need to spread the dosa. It should be thick. Once the hole starts coming on dosa, reduce the flame to medium. Now put oil or ghee. Now flip the dosa on other side. Now this is done. Now the set dosas are ready to serve. It is served with aloo sagu. These dosas are very spongy. These dosas taste very good with aloo masala. Hope you like these recipes. Please try.
If you like the recipe, please like and share. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thanks for watching.